It's the weekend, everybody, and what jobs do we need to do this weekend down at the allotment? Welcome to Gardening with Ben, and in today's video we're going to talk about the jobs which need doing this weekend and the jobs that you can start doing if you've not already started them. So if we're starting with outdoors, the main thing is to start turning those beds over. Like, my beds are pretty much weed free. I did them all at the end of November, and yeah, there's no weeds in them at the moment because it's been cold. We've not had much sun. It's only just started warming up, so the weeds will start to grow again and start to form. So it's a good time to dig over them beds again and check for any roots what are in there and start getting them out. So that's one job that I want to do, get them all dug over again, ready for when I'll be planting out in May. I won't plant out till May because that's when the chance of frost has passed for me where I'm based. So that's one job that we need to do. Next job is sow. There's loads of seeds that we can be sowing this month, so many seeds. I've got an unheated greenhouse, and as you've probably seen from my photos, I've got a lot of stuff germinating. This warm weather this week has helped speed things up and start things germinating. So if you've got an unheated greenhouse, you can start sowing. The only things that I don't sow this month will be my runner beans and my sweet corns and my sunflowers. Those will be the ones that I sow next month. Near enough everything else you can start sowing, so have a look at the packets and obviously check the temperatures in your area. The next thing is to make sure that the seeds are getting watered. Like, I cover mine with cling film until they start germinating, and then I take the cling film off, and so that they can reach the full potential, and obviously they'll start to dry out, so make sure that they keep getting enough water. If you've got strawberry plants growing, make sure that you deadhead the old leaves off them so that they can start forming their own new leaves if they're outdoors, that is. All mine are indoors, they're all fresh and healthy, no old leaves on there, and yeah, I'll be working on my outdoor strawberries this weekend. That is one job that I'll be doing, and filling in any gaps where there's no plants in, because I took a lot of runners last year, so we'll be placing some runners in the gaps where they died off from last year. Get your sweet peas started. If you've not started your sweet peas off, start them growing, start them going, and yeah, get the sweet peas going. I'm going to be pinching mine out. I'll be filming a video on that, on how to pinch out your sweet peas. That makes them form bushier sweet peas so that they get to a lot of more flowers on, and they're not necessarily bigger flowers, but they can be a bit smaller, but they'll get more flowers on the plant, so they'll produce more flowers. So we'll be pinching them out, and I'll share a video with you shortly. So yeah, big jobs this weekend. There's lots to get done, so make the most of the nice weather, everybody, and remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everybody.